Anger. You feel it almost every day. Someone disrespect you, expectations crash, someone betray you, your heart pounds, your voice rises, and suddenly you say or do things you regret. But here what almost nobody tells you. Anger is a survival mechanism hardwired into our brain, yet most people use it like a weapon that hurt themselves. In this video, I am going to combine real neuroscience, what actually happens in our brain, with the raw wisdom from my personal journal to give you the complete system to master anger. By the end, you will understand exactly why anger happens, how to feel it without being destroyed by it, and how to turn this powerful energy into strength and freedom. If you are ready to stop being controlled by anger, watch till the end. What anger really is. From my journal, anger is an emotion which we face in our daily living. Emotion which we feel. It is a survival mechanism. Anger is not a bad. It's an ancient programming designed to protect you. It mobilizes energy when you face danger, disrespect, or blocked goals. But in modern life, it gets triggered constantly, and that's where the problem begins. Why does anger happen? Real trigger. The trigger list here are the most common reason of anger. From my when we are in insecurity, doubt, and expecting too much, we invite anger. When the expectation of the person is not met, when someone insults you or says something disrespectful, when the situation is not in your control, when you expect too much in relationship or partnership, when other betray you, when you detect some danger, the more you expect, the more you attach, the more anger you invite. The brain science. What is the brain science? What actually happens inside you? So brain, first when we get anger, the amygdala, your threat detector, as soon as it senses anger related stimuli like insult, disrespectful, or danger, it lights up like an alarm. It immediately signals danger and prepare your body to fight. Hypothalamus and stress hormones. The amygdala tells the hypothalamus we are under threat. Boom, massive release of adrenaline and norepinephrine and cortisol. Your heart races, muscle tightens, blood flow to your limbs. Your body is now in full fight mode. Peripheral cortex goes offline. This is your wise logical brain, the part that think about consequences. During strong anger, it gets hijacked. That's why you are in that's why you yell word you can't take back. So it is very important to in chronic anger when you are very anger every time, damage health, thinking ability, relationship, and peace problem. From my general, anger affect the thinking ability. In an argument, we have to watch our words and tone, because anger is associated with how deep the emotion you feel. I will give you solution now. So if you face anger, uncontrolled anger leads to self-harm, broken relationship, and lost opportunities. But my journal also gives the solution. Be mindful and face the situation with calm mind. You have to accept your emotion first. Don't suppress it, but after that practice detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you stop being overly attached to outcomes, expectations, and people behavior. This freedom gives you real power. You can respond with full energy instead of reacting blindly. What you give, you receive the same. So you have to think about it you have to observe and think about it. So when anger rises, name it. Say, I am feeling anger right now. This simple act calm the amygdala, give the chemical surge 90 seconds to peak and start falling. Step 2, understand the trigger. Ask, am I expecting too much? Is this in my control? Is this worthy for my peace? Practice detachment. Detach from the outcome, feel the energy, but don't let the story control you. You become the observer, calm and powerful. Channel the energy wisely, use the fire, go work out, have a clear food, have a clear communication, create something powerful, set better boundaries. And real warrior don't fight with blind rage, they fight with calm intensity. Final powerful message I will give you. Anger is useful in real danger, but in daily life skillful anger is calm anger. Don't feel anger, try to use wisdom and diplomatic skill and be free from yourself. You don't have to expect too much from everyone and every situation. Master and you become unstoppable, peaceful and powerful. Detach it deeply, caring. Drop the comment how it's we feel, and thank you for watching the video. Love you all, and be careful. Watch your thoughts.